What's up guys, welcome to this lesson. In this lesson we're going to be learning about the D natural minor scale. Now in order to build a natural minor scale for any key, there are two methods that we can use. The first method has to do with making use of our knowledge of the relationship between major scales and natural minor scales. The second method has to do with using the formula. In this lesson, we're going to be using both methods. So yeah, let's start. So using the first method, first of all, what we have to do is to find the relative major scale that is related to the D natural minor scale. Now, in order to find the relative major scale that is related to the D natural minor scale, all we have to do is to go up by 3 half steps from the key of D. So 1, 2, 3. Now we landed on the key of F. Therefore, this means that the F major scale is related to the D natural minor scale. Now what does this mean? Well, this means that the set of unique keys that are in the F major scale are the same set of unique keys that are in the D natural minor scale. See that? So in order to figure out the D natural minor scale, all we have to do is to play the F major scale starting from the key of D and finishing at the key of D. See that? Now this is the F major scale. Now, in order to play the D natural minor scale, since the D natural minor scale is related to the F major scale, all we have to do is to play the F major scale starting from the key of D and finishing at the key of D. So yeah, let's do that. See that? So that is the D natural minor scale. Now, the other method that we could have used to figure out the D natural minor scale is to use the formula. Now, just to remind you, whenever you move from one key to the next key, so for example, if I move from the key of D to the key of E flat without skipping any key, then that means that I've moved by a half step. So whenever you move from one key to the next key without skipping any key, then that is known as moving by a half step. So for example, if I move from the key of B to the key of C, I've not skipped any key. Therefore, this means that I've moved by a half step. Now whenever you move from one key to another key, and you skip a key in between, then that is known as moving by a whole step. So for example, if I move from the key of D to the key of E, I've skipped the key of E flat in between. Therefore, this means that I've moved by a whole step. See that? So yeah, let's start. Let's use the second method to figure out the D natural minor scale. We should get the same answer as we got using the first method. So yeah, let's start. So using the formula, starting from the key of D, so we're going to take a whole step, and then a half step, and then a whole step, and then a whole step, and then a half step, and then a whole step, and then a whole step. See that? We got the same answer as we did using the first method. So yeah, that is the D natural minor scale. Thank you for watching guys, and I will see you in the next lesson.